In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a domain from Godaddy. Start by signing into your Godaddy account and opening the domain portfolio. Select the domain you want to transfer and open its settings page. Next, make sure your domain is eligible for transfer. Domains that were registered or transferred within the last 60 days usually cannot be moved to another registrar. After that, unlock the domain by disabling domain lock. Then locate the authorization code, sometimes called the EPP code, and request it. Godaddy will send this code to your registered email address. Now log into the registrar where you want to transfer the domain, such as Namecheap, Cloudflare, or another provider. Start the transfer process and enter your domain name. Next, paste the authorization code when prompted and complete the transfer request. In most cases, you'll need to pay a transfer fee, which typically includes a 1-year domain renewal. After that, check your email and approve any transfer confirmation requests from Godaddy and your new registrar. Now wait for the transfer to complete. This process usually takes a few days, although it can sometimes finish sooner. Finally, verify that the domain appears in your new registrar account and review your DNS settings to make sure your website and email continue working properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer a domain from Godaddy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.